This is Over Grip Protection.
What?
Over Grip Protection.
Are you gonna take this one off?
It's a different type of batting grip. We're just gonna test it out.
You gonna take this one off though?
Well, you gotta see what I bought.
I think this thing can hit some bombs.
So it's Saikoowa.
Maybe one day we can go to.
Yeah,
hey Dad, like when you think it's like hitting bombs like at home, we should go to a field and see if it is.
We're gonna get this on.
Get the Windex.
See what it says. It says slide the grip over the baseball handle. Pull the inner core rope.
There is no rope. You pulled it.
So, which way do you want it to go though? Let's see. So the rope at the bottom, it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna be here. So why don't you pull it? Once you pull it.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Is that supposed to happen?
I guess so.
That's the end. That's seriously the end. I can't pull it anymore. Oh, never mind. I guess I'll just go there. Oh, that was stretching a lot. If your fingers ever hurt, just use this. Squish instantly. Look, my fingers hurt. Hey, brother. Just use this. This is not a sponsor too. Oh my god.
Goodness.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on here. I'm literally far away. So, you broke it again. Oh, you're gonna break it. Oh, Dad, you might break it.
So we'll come back to this. Hopefully I fix this thing. I doubt it though. I might have to
We'll just leave all of this here. We'll clean up. We will see you guys next time. We'll probably do it tomorrow, right?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, tomorrow.
So
Maybe.
Say bye.
Bye.
The bat's finished.
Dad finally got the thing on.
Finally. It probably wasn't that hard. I don't think I was doing it right, so I don't want to, mess up the company. But it was pretty cool once it's on. But this is where we did a lot right in here.
Yeah, that's the most.
So this is like that grip. I put a little electrical tape right there. Just hold it on. And the grip thing, and then you got the grip thing down there. So